Kitchen and Craft.
Friends, welcome back to Action and Crafts. You will be like shocked that I'm having so much crafts in front, but the thing we are going to make today is this thing. Guys, this is a spinner just made out of cardboard. You can't believe it really because I decorated it too well. You can also decorate it as you want. You can see guys, this is such a cool spinner and it's giving such good shades of glitter guys. I am loving this. I'm so shocked I just made this good spinner. This is so good guys. I'm still shocked. So guys, if you want to make it, let's move on to how to make it. guys, the craft is ready and I'm so surprised, so thrilled, so shocked that I can make such a good craft with just cardboard. And guys, you won't believe me, but I just made this with a cap of a shoebox, not the whole shoebox, but just from the cap. And guys, this is such an amazing craft. This is a spinner, cardboard spinner, a great toy to play with. And it's so good, guys. I'm a big fan of spinners and I love this spinner. You can see it's so good, guys. I love this, and you can decorate it as much as you want. So now it's time for the TT. TT means tips. So toy tips. So now I'll tell you the tips. So it is so easy. I have told you all the steps to make this good spinner. Wow, did you saw that? The shine. Wow, the shine it gives when it moves. So now I'm going to tell you the tips. The tip is that you can see this, right? The stick we use in the middle part, okay? The stick does the whole magic, okay? So the tip is that don't keep this stick too short that these two circles will touch this spinner, or else it won't move, okay? You should keep the stick long, okay? So guys, this was our tip, and I'm so surprised, so shocked I can make such a good spinner. The advantage of making it is that we're recycling. First of all, we're recycling cardboard. Second of all, the advantage of making this is that we can make it of our own design, own color, own size. And guys, I'm so amazed, still thrilled. Now I'm going to keep it in my bag, going to take it to school or any place I want. It's portable. And I'll play with it whenever I'm bored. Actually, especially at hospitals, I'm really bored there. So guys, if you like my craft, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye. I'm still loving to play with it, guys. So fun.